In the evolving landscape of modern armored warfare, Russia continues to demonstrate remarkable industrial adaptability and engineering prowess by systematically upgrading its fleet of T-80 main battle tanks with advanced active protection systems and complementary defensive measures. As of mid-2026, reports confirm that refurbished and modernized T-80 BVM variants are receiving enhanced suites including elements of the Arena M Hardkill Active Protection System, APS, refined anti-drone cages, expanded Relikt explosive reactive armor, ERA, and electronic warfare capabilities. These upgrades are not merely reactive measures but a calculated, experience-driven strategy that leverages the inherent strengths of one of Russia's most capable and mobile main battle tanks, ensuring they remain highly effective instruments on the contemporary battlefield. The T-80 series, originally developed during the Soviet era, has long stood out for its exceptional mobility. Powered by the GTD-1250 gas turbine engine delivering 1,250 horsepower, the T-80 BVM achieves a superior power-to-weight ratio compared to many diesel-powered counterparts. This enables road speeds approaching 70 km per hour and strong off-road performance, rapid acceleration, and reliable cold weather starts. Advantages particularly valuable in northern and Arctic-oriented operations as well as the dynamic conditions of high-intensity conflict. Russian forces have expanded the number of units equipped with T-80 BVMs significantly, rising from a handful in 2021 to more than 20 by 2025, reflecting both the platform's proven combat utility and the successful restart of modernization and limited production efforts at facilities such as Omsk Transmash under the Rostec umbrella. Central to the current retrofit program is the integration of high-tech active protection. The Arena M system, developed by the Kolomna Design Bureau, employs radar with high noise immunity, perimeter-mounted countermeasure launchers, and an onboard computer to detect, track, and neutralize incoming threats, including anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, rocket-propelled grenades, and increasingly, FPV drones and loitering munitions, before they impact the vehicle. Russian sources indicate that by 2025, T-80 BVM tanks began receiving this capability alongside the more widely reported installations on T-72B3M and T-90M platforms. The system fires protective munitions that create a dense fragment field to destroy or deflect approaching projectiles, providing 360-degree coverage potential and complementing passive measures. Parallel developments have focused on software updates enabling better engagement of slower, lower-signature aerial threats that have defined recent fighting. These hard-kill capabilities are layered with evolved passive and soft-kill defenses refined through direct combat feedback. Modernized T-80 BVMs feature redesigned, lower-profile, Mongol, barbecue-style, anti-drone cages that offer improved coverage over the turret roof and other vulnerable upper surfaces while reducing the silhouette compared to early improvised structures. Expanded Relikt-era packages now protect additional side skirt, hull, and turret areas, delivering enhanced resistance against both shaped charge warheads and kinetic energy penetrators. Electronic warfare suites such as the Volnorez system provide jamming of drone control links at ranges of several hundred meters, further degrading adversary unmanned systems. Additional upper hemisphere armor for the engine and transmission compartments addresses top attack vulnerabilities observed in earlier phases of operations. Collectively, these measures, drawn from frontline lessons and incorporated at the factory level by Uravanzavad and related enterprises, transform stored or older hulls into platforms with substantially higher survivability. Firepower remains a core strength. The T-80 BVM's 125mm 2A46M4 smoothbore gun, supported by an autoloader, fires a full spectrum of modern ammunition including advanced APFSDS rounds and the 9M119M Reflex M laser-guided missile with a range of up to 5 kilometers. The Sosna U multi-channel sight with thermal imaging enables effective day-night engagement, while improved communications, navigation, and battle management systems integrate the tank more tightly into networked operations. Crews benefit from the three-man configuration's efficiency and the platform's inherent agility, allowing rapid repositioning, flanking maneuvers, and support roles ranging from direct fire to indirect artillery-style missions when required. Russian defense industry officials and military analysts emphasize that these upgrades illustrate a pragmatic and highly effective approach. Rather than discarding proven designs, Russia extracts maximum value from existing stocks by applying modular, combat-validated improvements. Rostec has repeatedly highlighted that current T-72, T-80, and T-90 variants incorporate real operational experience, resulting in vehicles better adapted to the dominant threats of FPV drones, precision munitions, and dense anti-tank environments than many earlier configurations. The gas turbine T-80's combination of speed, firepower, and now multi-layered protection positions it as a versatile asset capable of operating effectively in varied terrain and weather conditions where heavier or less mobile Western designs may face logistical or mobility constraints. Combat accounts from Russian sources underscore the platform's resilience. Crews have reported instances of T-80 BVMs continuing missions after multiple drone impacts thanks to the layered defenses, demonstrating the practical benefits of the iterative modernization process. The expansion of T-80 BVM-equipped units and ongoing refinements, ranging from fire control enhancements to further APS integration, signal sustained confidence in the design. Production and refurbishment lines continue to deliver vehicles incorporating the latest lessons, ensuring a steady supply of capable armor. In summary, Russia's decision to retrofit older T-80 tanks with high-tech active protection systems such as Arena M, alongside advanced era, anti-drone structures, and electronic warfare tools, reflects a mature understanding of modern battlefield dynamics. By building upon the T-80's foundational advantages in mobility and firepower, and systematically addressing emerging threats through domestic engineering excellence, Russian forces are fielding tanks that combine proven reliability with contemporary survivability. This approach not only maximizes existing inventories but also reinforces the adaptability and technological depth of Russia's armored forces, positioning the upgraded T-80 BVM as a formidable and evolving contributor to national defense capabilities in the current strategic environment.